Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today's video about how to create your first forex account. This video is for all levels. In the last of the video I will be given free forex tools, such as good indicators and robots, so stay in the video. Before we start anything, we mostly get a good broker. I am using this broker, his name is Alpari, already invested more than 60,000 people. You can get the link in the description or in the comments section. You can deposit via Perfect or bank. So I will use Perfect Money. Before that we have to register an account for free. Remember guys, anyone who registers the link in the description will get 1000 LP, which is equal to a bonus for your deposits. So let's get in the video. Click on register. Type your name. Then your second name like your family name. If anyone asking why I blurred this, I am entering my Gmail, so I have to. Please enter your email. And then your number. When you end, click the box for terms and conditions. Then click continue. In that again, tap continue. Then choose which SMS or Gmail you prefer to get the activation code. I choose Gmail to click to verify and solve the captcha. And then click OK. So when you are done, click get code. Go to your Gmail and copy the code, return and paste the code to the box, and then click continue. Congratulations, you registered. You will get email messages. In this email, you will get your login info, such as login number and password, if you need to save your data. Then go to Gmail, click on the key icon. Then click add. In the top, add a website link. In the second, login number. In the last, add the password number, and you completely saved your data. To create a new trading account, please scroll down and check my trading account section. Click the demo side and click create an account. If you want, you can create a real account. We only testing now. Choose demo and then add balance to your demo account. Here in the tick box, you can click here if you have an MQL5 community account. We don't need it now, so click create an account. Congratulations, you created a free demo account. If you need to save the data, only do the same step we already did. Now download the MT4 software to your PC. You have to know that you can do the same steps with your phone. Okay, come back, and when the installation is done, open the software. Download it and run. I already installed it, so it can't be installed for me now. Open to take trades to buy for up and sell for down. Today's market is down, so I can't open positions. I will teach you how to trade in the next video. How to deposit. Go to the Show menu, click Invest with Alpari, and click Deposit. Here is how you deposit. How to withdraw. Again, click Invest with Alpari, click Withdrawal Fund. Here is how you do. Okay, here is the gift for you. Guys, today I will share with you free 100 plus free forex tools, and I hope it will help you. To check them out, please visit the link in the description. I will try 2 of them. First, we'll download the MT4 indicator. I will show you how to set it up. First, install it. Then open the data folder for MT4. Open the MQL4 file. Open indicators. Okay, then open the zip you downloaded, copy the file or drag, and then pass to the indicators file. Okay, let's check how was his signals. I will highlight them with this box tool. Check out the next script, is the IQ option script. First, download the file. Open the file, copy the texts, go to IQ option, open the indicators section, click the script, add new script, then delete texts in the new script, and pass the copied texts, and then save, open and add the indicator. You done. I will try this. Script. When lines cross each other, it says signal, example. The blue line cross other lines in up direction, then it's buy. If the blue cross lines in down, it's sell. I will check one as you can see it ends with a profit.